Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I made a post a few weeks ago talking about we are not our thoughts, and I decided to make this video to expand a little more about it because I truly feel that that realization has completely changed the way I view myself and the power that I now know that I have over my life. So how many times a day do you have a thought or an emotion that completely either throws you off, makes you feel sad or happy, overwhelmed, and kind of dictates the rest of your day or your week or your month and your mood? And that obviously has a domino effect that affects everyone else around you and your work and your friends. I've noticed that so many of us are completely misinformed and not aware of the fact that our thoughts and our emotions are not who we are. We choose to identify with it. We choose to give it power. We choose to give it attention, which in return builds our belief system about ourselves, about the world. And a lot of us just look at these things like they're completely set and there's nothing we can do about it. In fact, we have so much more power than we realize. I want to break it down to you a little bit. What are thoughts? What are emotions? Where are they coming from? Well, our brain produces all of this, and that response, those thoughts and those emotions are usually based on the conditioning that we've had from our childhood, from the past, from society's conditioning, society's perspective. We really consume all of this in, and we think that this is what we think, what we believe, where in fact it is not. For me, what I found that worked best is being aware, but not only aware, is also being mindful. Awareness is having the perspective of stepping out, and looking at things from the outside, and also being able to look within and have a clear perspective of what's going on inside. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is kind of an extension of awareness. It basically measures the quality of your awareness. So that's why those things go hand in hand. So not only do you need to be aware, you also have to be mindful to really get to the purest level of awareness. Wow, this sounds like really woo, but I hope that I'm making sense. When we realize that all these thoughts that are going through our head has nothing to do with us, we are able to look at these thoughts and these emotions as objects. Just like you stand outside and you look at a tree or a bird, you just literally stare at them from the outside. Don't get attached to them. Don't identify with them. Understand they don't come from you. They come from everything around. And it is in your power to either let them run their course, let them kind of slide through. You can be aware of them, which is wonderful because you understand what's going on, but don't grab them and don't give them your attention and don't cling to them, which will make you then believe that this is what you think and this is what you feel. A thought without the attention you give it is just a thought, and once it runs its course, it's nothing at all. It leaves no footprints, no impression on you. And can you imagine how free you feel once you let all these bajillion thoughts that run through your head every single minute to just pass by and not identify with them? So the next time you're in a situation where you have your thoughts or you have your emotions that will usually kind of dictate your mood or your day, stop. Take kind of the outside perspective, look at it for what it is and let it go. Please understand that these thoughts and emotions do not come from you. They are basically a blah of everything that's going on from the outside. So you have the power to choose to either identify with it, give it the power over you, over your life, or to just look at it from the outside, be like, thanks, bye. Next. I feel like maybe that's what Ariana Grande's song was about. like on the deeper level. It wasn't like about ex-boyfriends. It was about like, I'm not good enough, thank you, next. I'm fat, thank you, next. I will never find love, thank you, next. I hope that it will give you a different perspective to look at what's going on in here and understand that there's levels to who we are, and this level is not the core. So practice being mindful and know that you have the power to decide who you are and what is your belief system. Also, before I forget, I did link some of the books, podcast, videos that I felt really helped me to get it all clicked together. So I would really want you guys to watch it if you are at a place where you're ready to take on this project of connecting to a deeper level of consciousness and understanding what it is that's going on here. So check it out in my description box. I've so missed these kind of videos. I really have to do more of these. I feel like in the last year, I've been really going through a really aggressive and fast self-growth journey, and I think that it's time to share some of my learnings and lessons with you guys. So okay, now I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Hi beauties, thank you so much for watching the video. You are not your thoughts. I truly hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. And if you want to learn why being humble might hurt you, watch this video.